All right, real quick, because I could talk about this stuff all day. As you can see, I had to bring the light out and the whole setup. I love talking about this stuff. All right, let's get into it. Your song is basically split up into two categories. You have the sound recording side, and then you have the composition side. And in order to make sure you have your splits correctly registered or correctly assigned to whoever's involved, it doesn't matter how many people's involved, but whoever's involved, when you sit down to do the song, you can go and sign what's known as a split sheet. And that basically, simplify it, it basically just lists all the people who are involved in the song and what stake of ownership they have in that song. And the splits are of 100%. So just say, for an example, if I produce a song with an artist, I would get 50% as the composer. I made the music, and then the artist would get another 50% as the lyricist, or the people who wrote the lyrics. Obviously, it can get more complex the more people you add onto the song, but that's the basic, general idea of it. And you would register these songs at ASCAP or BMI. Those are the two primary performing rights organizations. They have CSAC and a couple others in different countries, but to simplify things, those are the two main major performing rights organizations, and you will register your songs there, and you will refer to that split sheet that you signed beforehand when you go register your titles, and then they go on your behalf and then they collect for you.